Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. Here is my new project, which is a DIY project for the Valentine's. This one is a wine glass. I just decorated with a heart shape. This heart shape is I cut out from the magazine, and also this one from the ribbon I cut out. There is a ribbon which has letterings happy birthday, so I cut out happy and the day. So in the center I fixed it with a paste, this heart shape from the magazine, and I fixed also a red heart shaped ribbon in the center of this wine glass, and this will serve as your wine glass for the Valentine's, and a table centerpiece. And look at here, these flowers, you can decorate these flowers. I just pick up from my flowers. This is an artificial flowers, look. So I just pick up from my flower base. Look, this is artificial flowers. I put two pieces here. Look at here, just put it here, look, just like that, and put in the center these three flowers. Okay, so that you have a flower decoration on the bottom of your wine glass. So this is how it looks like. So you can decorate your wine glass, and this is a table centerpiece. So if you are going to have a dinner date with your loved ones during Valentine's, you can make the settings of your placemat like this in the table, and just create a very simple DIY wine glass. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you get an idea on how to recycle and create a beautiful Valentine's project. So if you like this project, just give a thumbs up, share this video, leave a comments, and subscribe to SGM Creations, Tutorials, and Lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and happy Valentine's Day. So this is it. Very simple wine glass decorated with a Valentine's decoration. It is just a very simple DIY Valentine's project. So